Hi, welcome. Today we're going to hit some Americana. Yes, we are. Some homegrown American brand unboxing today. I am a big believer of trying to help local and shop local and not local, local, shop local. And that includes shopping local from vendors from the United States. This brand is a homegrown vendor from the United States. So come on back if you're interested in that. I'm excited about this. This has been a kind of a long time in waiting. Long time in waiting. We're gonna just get into it with this bag. Today's unboxings are all about Ralph Lauren. I have 3 bags here from Ralph Lauren, and I'm excited about them. They've been in my bag stock for a while. This bag here, I got it 2023. I think it was part of a big haul box that I got from one of my vendors. I had to because I took it out and wanted to do its own video, but now it's going to be in with the 3 of them. So all it says that it's a vintage shoulder bag, bucket bag. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, it looks like a cantina bag or something. Look at that. This is so cool. This is so cool. I could definitely see this is definitely a Didi bag. Oh, look at that. It's got the suede inside. Wow. It smells like, oh wow, it smells like the leather. Look at that, the inside. It's got all the suede on the inside, and let's see, it's got a little, this is Polo Ralph Lauren, made in Korea. So here it's got a zip pocket. Here is what it looks like. Look at that. All of this is suede. Oh wow. You know, now that I feel like a real vintage suede, very different than than the microfiber that other companies are using. So here is the pocket on the inside. The zipper works very well. It's a thin bag, a bucket bag, a thin bag. It is a very cool bag. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let me show you. But this is one of those belt buckles, you know, very cool, very cool. So here's the front. Here's the side. It has the tag here. And here it says Polo Ralph Lauren. Here's the back. We'll come back to that. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. Here's the top. And here's the strap. Okay. So back here, it has a discoloration. And I must have got it for a really good price because it has that discoloration on there. I think I was willing to overlook that because of just how different and unique this bag is. I have no idea. I'm going to have to get with some of my Ralph Lauren experts out there. So if you know anything about Ralph Lauren and if you have any catalogs or anything like that, hey, let me know if you know anything about this bag, okay? I would greatly appreciate it. This back here, I don't know, probably got wet or something. So I have no ideas right now. If you have any suggestions of maybe how to even that out, then let me know. But I think I can live with it. It's on the back side of the bag, so it'll go against your body. I really like loving and digging this side of it, so not a problem. The strap is not, well, it is adjustable, and it's actually on here kind of crooked. Let me see if I can fix it. I'm going to put it on the last hole. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes, but the strap seems pretty generous. But it does have these little rivet studs here that come out. You can pull out. It's just really hard to do. So what I'll do is I'll take that out. I'll clip one of my little extenders on here, and then we'll use that to help lengthening it if you still need more length. But let me see. Okay. It actually is, I mean, I may not have to. It may not be worth the fight it is to take that off. Since it's so thin, it feels good here. I usually kind of wear them in front because of safety wise, and not people not getting into my bag, and plus so that I can walk with my cane when I need to walk with my cane. But this is a super duper fun bag. Oh my gosh. I need to know more. If you know anything about Ralph Lauren, please, please, please let me know. I know I probably said that 2 or 3 times. Okay, so here's bag number 1. Here's bag number 2. It says on my notes, this was purchased. Okay, Caleb Snell, if you're watching, close your ears. Morella, if you're watching, close your ears. November the 27th, 2023 is when it shipped. Yeah. And this is still part of my back stock that I saved so I could do together with these bags. So this says that it is Goodwill Finds is where I got it. It says Hilary RL tote, and my winning bid was $16.99, but I don't have any other information about shipping or anything like that. Sometimes they put the invoices, sometimes they don't. And is this an invoice? No, it just says woman's. Oh, it's not a Ralph Lauren. This is the Radley London. Well, RL, we'll keep it in here anyway. So this is a Radley London bag. I got this from Goodwill Finds. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It has the back, the front, and a middle zipper. It has this. I don't know if this is original to it or not. I can't imagine. No, this can't be original because the hardware doesn't even match or anything. But somebody attached that on there, and here is the strap that goes with it. It has the leather feet on the bottom. Here is the little doggy, the little mascot. It has the back zip here and 2 front pockets here. It is a crossbody, so right here it has a clip here and a clip there, which makes it a crossbody. And it's got the cute little doggy, the little Radley doggy right there. It's so cute. This kind of gives that east-west look. And let me see. It has a little owie right there that you can see right there. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit, cleaned and conditioned. It's very soft. I have several Radley London accessories, like their wallets, a coin purse, and I do have another Radley London bag, but this is only like my second one. I like this bag. Let's see on the setting how this will work. But the strap on here brings it down low enough to where it's not going to bother me. The strap's sticking up, and the top handle is soft enough. And I could go lower on this as well too. Plus, since it's removable, I could add chain extenders. Oh my gosh, chain extenders. So this is good for $16.99. Right? That was what the box said my winning bid was, $16.99. Not bad. Okay, not a Ralph Lauren, but a Radley London RL. I can make that simple mistake. Apparently I did not, I wasn't clear enough, but that's okay. You get 3 bags for the price of admittance of 2 bags. on a free channel. Okay. This one says that it was mailed on May the 1st, 2024. So it's May 2024. We're back in the near past. It was $37 on eBay. And y'all, you thought we were done with denim. We're not. This says that this is a denim Ralph Lauren. Let's see. Let's see if we can trust my notes, and let's see if we can trust me deciphering my notes. Because that's the big thing is I had all the notes, but I didn't decipher it correctly. I hope that it's a good deal. Ooh, it's looking good. A Ralph Lauren denim bag. Let's see. Here is what she looks like. She's got a really pretty turn lock here. Oh, it looks like it has a leather. Here is, it's got a crossbody, and it's adjustable but not removable. Here is the inside. It's a cute little bag. It has the zipper back here, zipper back there. It's Ralph Lauren line, the Ralph Lauren line, one of their diffusion lines, and then here is a big old zip here. Ah, yeah, plenty of room for my phone inside the body of the bag. Oh, it's coming undone easily. So, all right, let's see. Yes, it comes down just at my hip right here, and that's a nice, comfortable area. So, and can keep it here, or how I like to carry it is here. Very nice. I've got a denim Ralph Lauren. It has a back pocket. Oh, it's just so ever so small with the case. Like, can I stretch it? No. With the case, my iPhone 14 Pro Max won't fit. However, let's see. It fits perfect without the case, but I never travel without the case. So that works. So here's the front. Let's show you again with the chain. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. Here is the top. And there is the front. And ta-da! Here's the inside. I think is that blue or black? It looks like a navy, a dark blue. Very cool. I got myself a Ralph Lauren denim bag. I got myself a Ralph Lauren, I'm calling cantina bag. A cantina bag. And an RL, Radley London, East-West little tote. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Thank you so much for coming by and joining me. Thank you for staying to the end. And if you made it this far, put some denim jeans in the description box to let me know that you stayed till the end. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Love y'all. Bye-bye.